Welcome to my channel. I am the boss lady trucker. Did you know the trucking industry is considered one of the fastest growing industries in the United States? According to the American Trucking Association, trucks moved about 72.6% of the nation's freight in 2022. In 2023, the nation's trucking freight bill totaled $987 billion in gross freight revenues. With this amount of revenue, it seems as if the trucking industry is a hot money-making business. The truth is, it can be. As long as I stay proactive in streamlining my business and find ways to reduce costs without impacting service and safety. On an average, it costs $500 to $750 for an oil change every 15,000 to 30,000 miles depending on if one drives locally or over the road. Now, I also take downtime in consideration. If the wheel's not turning, I ain't earning. So, the total cost of an oil change could be well over $1,500 when adding time to the final bill of an oil change. So let's watch an oil and filter change on my Volvo. Step 1. Open the hood by pulling the hood release latch underneath the steering wheel. Step 2. Locate the 3 oil filters underneath the hood on the driver's side. I usually purchase the oil change kit, which includes the 5 filters shown on the screen. Today, I'm only showing the changing of the 3 oil filters. Step 3. Place a drain pan underneath the engine before removing the oil drain plug. Make sure the drain pan can hold at least 40 quarts of oil. After removing the drain plug, now add the drain hose. To help the oil flow quickly, I'm going to remove the oil cap. While the oil is draining, let's remove the 3 oil filters. To allow the oil to drain from the filters, punch a hole in each of the filters. Make sure you do not allow the oil to drain on the ground. Place a container underneath the filters to catch the oil. Now, let's remove the filters with the filter wrench. I do like to recycle the old oil and filters, so I take them to a local recycling shop or store and recycle them for free. Now that the filters are removed, let's remove the hose and insert the drain plug. I am ready to install the new filters and oil. I like to pre-fill my oil filters before installing. The pre-filling of the filters prevent the engine from operating without adequate lubrication while waiting for the filters to fill up. After hand tightening the filters, use the filter wrench to complete the tightening process. Let's add some engine oil. This truck takes about 36 to 38 quarts of oil. After adding several quarts, make sure you check the dipstick throughout the process to prevent from adding too much oil. The entire process was completed in less than an hour. I saved money and time to go make more money. Thank you for watching.